Duquesne, Missouri police say a 2-year-old is recovering after accidentally shooting himself. This is KOAM News at 6. Police say the boy's father left his gun in a work van that he thought was locked. The child found the weapon, shot himself in the shoulder.
One of those calls that we all dread on going as a kid, getting shot or shooting themselves or other friends. You just can't stress enough the gun safety.
Child is expected to be fine. He's going to have surgery on the shoulder. Police say they don't know yet whether charges will be filed against the father.